Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Causebox unboxing. I don't know if you guys remember, many years ago I used to get this box. I think I got it once or twice and I did unboxings on my channel, and I decided to get it this time because I saw a couple of things on one of my friends' unboxings, which I will link down here so you guys can check her out. I saw a couple of things that I liked, so I was like, okay, let me do that at least for this month. And here it is. This is the spring box, if I'm not mistaken. And guys, I want to show you, look at my makeup. I don't know if it's picking up correctly, but it's a really nice purple smoky eye. This is the first time I do a smoky eye, guys. Oh my god, I'm so like proud of myself. I've never done a smoky eye before, and this was our homework from my makeup class. So the box is huge. This is what it looks like inside. As usual, you guys know I don't know the price of anything, so we will include that somewhere here down below. All right, so you get your booklet, and this is the spring. And this box, it's always has like it has a significance to it. Like, it's a really nice box. It says that our mission is to bring sustainable and ethical products to everyone. So inside here they have what's in the box. So that is what I will read. And then they have a couple of like articles and stuff like that behind their box and how you can use each product in the box. So that's great. So you first get this little card, which is super cute. This is nice to use now, especially that we're in quarantine. You can send a friend of yours a little postcard. This is very nice. It's a floral postcard. I don't know if this is like part of... I don't see it anywhere here written, so I don't think this is part of anything, but this is very nice. Next thing in here is from Dime, and this is the Super Eye Duo Eyelash Boost Serum Volume Mascara. I do love getting mascara. I will be doing a Mascara Monday for you guys on this one. This is a $46 value, so right there, I believe you're already paying for the box, which is insane. So it's a duo, so it has the Boost Serum and it has the mascara. And it's vegan, cruelty-free, sustainably packaged. So we've got that. Next thing in here is from Groopdealz. Groopdealz, where are we? And this is a mood mist, and this one is in Calm. And this is a $30 value. It says a mood mist that does it all natural and aromatherapeutic. Groopdealz's signature product can be used as an aid for focus, a support for sleep, a body spray, and everything in between. I want to smell it because if it could be a body spray, let's smell this. Oh yeah, it smells like... I don't know how to explain it. The way that I would explain that is that it smells therapeutic, like literally. Next thing in here is from Earth Harbor, and this is the Aqua Aura Reparative Eye Cream. And this retails for $34. A soothing and firming all-natural iridescent eye cream, a combination of seaweed collagen, blue tansy, and plant oils help replenish and restore the skin around the eyes. This is 0.5 ounces. This is what the tub looks like. Oh, it's like a greenish type of color. It smells therapeutic. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. It's just like a smell. I can't explain it. I really can't. Next thing in here is from Artisan Direct, and this is the Sustainable Grocery Starter Kit. It says it's a set of 5. So I imagine these are little bags. Let me see. $22 value, a set of 5 mesh and muslin bags for sustainable grocery shopping, made by a team of artisans in Jaipur, India, ready to replace single-use plastic produce and grain bags. So they have different sizes. See, little mesh bags. I believe this is a smaller one. Everybody's into these bags. I'm not so into them because I reuse like my grocery bags, like in the bathroom and stuff. So I don't know, like I'm not so into those grocery bag type of stuff, but they're nice. Next thing in here is one of the reasons why I had to get this box, and I was so happy that I got this color because you could get either pink, yellow, or like a grayish color. The yellow is like a mustard color. If it would have been like a sun yellow, I would have been like, okay, beautiful. But the pink, like when my friend unboxed it, she also got pink, and I was like, oh my god, I loved it. And this is from Bento. And this is like a little lunchbox thingy. Look how cute this is. I'm loving this. So this is a stackable bento box in sunflower, blush, or cloud. Mine is obviously in blush, and it's a to-go container with 2 compartments and built-in cutlery, which I loved that. Sustainably replaces single-use plastic alternative and donates to Feed the Children. And this is a $29 value. So this is the cute little top. You have your utensils right here. Hello, come on, show it. Thank you. And then when you lift this up, you have little different compartments for the food, you know? One thing that my friend was saying, which is actually really true, if you have something here and then something here, like how is this gonna close? But from what I see in the picture, I'm guessing that's why they have this thing, this elastic thing, because the picture looks like it's a little lifted. I'm guessing that's why they have it. This is microwave safe, which is good too, because a lot of times when we're at work and stuff like that, we need to be able to microwave stuff. So I don't know in that case how that would work. Then here I see that they also do it a different way. Like they put the utensils on top and then close it. That might actually work. Let's test it out. Yeah. That's the way to do it. Oh my gosh, guys, how funny. Okay, so yeah, that's the way to do it. I'm gonna tell my friend too, because I don't know if she knew that. So if you have food in like both compartments, she was wondering, and I was wondering too after I saw her video. I'm like, yeah. You're gonna put the utensil one on top of this, and then this one goes snugly on top of that, and you can even put this on top as well. I'm very excited to use this as soon as we're able to like go back to work or whatever. I'm really excited about this. I'm happy that I got it in the blush color. Okay. Next thing in here, this is the self-care planner. I love planners. Okay, so this is the wellness planner. Where are you, wellness planner? Okay, this is a $30 value. Wow. So it says a thoughtfully designed and developed planner for self-reflection, intention setting, and powerfully simple self-care. So it's a 13-week daily wellness and goal planner. This is nice. Let's open it up. I want to see what it says on the inside. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so you have a self-care assessment, self-care acts that you can do, vision. You have like a little calendar, and then it talks about like positive talk, what you can do to treat yourself, what acts of kindness you can do. They have self-care challenges. Here it is like a goal list, a little like what are you grateful for, your schedule for that day. This is actually really, really nice. I like that. Okay, so obviously I forgot to explain certain things to you guys. There's some things that you could have gotten either or of some things. So in this case, it could have either been this planner or a Wild and Free bandana, which I'm happy. I didn't get to pick, but I'm happy that I got the planner. I'm not really too much of a bandana person, so I'm really, really happy I got the planner and I do like it. And then instead of the duo, the eye duo, we could have gotten a layered gem necklace, which I think my friend got that in hers. And it's this necklace right here. And the bandana apparently is this one. So yeah, I'm happy with the stuff that I got. I'm excited. This has me like super excited. The planner I'm excited about. And then the last thing in here is a crossbody. And you could have gotten it in 3 different colors, either honey, black, or gray. Honey is like a burnt mustard color, I would say, because it's not like burnt orange. The gray one kind of looks like the sky in the picture. I don't know if that. Mine actually came in black. This is what it looks like. It's rather large. I thought it was going to be smaller. So then this is the crossbody. Really, really pretty. My friend got hers in like the mustard color. It's really nice. I actually really, really liked it. So inside, it has like different compartments. You have like this big section right there where things fit, your phone. It has a zippered pocket and you have your strap. I'm gonna try it on for you guys. So this is what it looks like on, guys. I have to like scooch back a little bit. That's what it looks like on. I'm kind of liking it. I like to have a crossbody sometimes. So I'm happy with everything I got in my box, guys. I'm very, very excited. I'm just like, I can't get over this, and I'm so happy that I got it in the pink color. So I'm very, very excited about this. And if you guys are interested, I will leave the link down below. They're an awesome company to subscribe to. Their box, as you saw, has great things. And not only that, it's for a good cause because they donate and all that type of stuff. I remember the first time I got the box, it was because of that, because I really, really, really loved that there was something behind the box, you know? All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you, and I will see you next time. Bye, my loves.